What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. Now, in today's video, I am back in Whitesburg, Kentucky with Natasha. I came back. Of course, you've seen on my last video, on my DAP video that we had done together, so I came back. This video really is gonna be all about just her just showing off what she does. She's gonna explain it to y'all guys, probably give y'all some good tips and tricks around this boudoir stuff that she's just absolutely amazing in. So this video is gonna be more about her. I'm gonna kind of sneak in from here to there, kind of take a couple photos, but it's gonna be mostly focused on her and her tips and tricks about boudoir shooting. And today's guest model, my little friend, Little Rupa. Of course, you've seen her in a couple videos as well. She has been all over my channel. We have shot plenty of times before. We've been shooting for a while, for years now. And are y'all guys ready to get this going?
Ready.
All right, and of course, if y'all like my work, please consider yourself subscribing. Please follow her in the model, and let's get right into this.
Oh, I love that. Let me get up a little bit closer. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna go a little bit darker. There we go. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's gorgeous. Beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the smoke machine on. There we go.
She's asking smoke machine, guys. She got the smoke thing going on.
And now I want you to like turn to the side like this, and you can cross and like go over and just like, yes, love that. Oh, that's beautiful. Hold that. I got it at a birthday store. I literally got it out of the party section, but like you can just look at how the light like touches that. You know that's gonna be wild. You just look at it and know.
All right, so what is this gonna do right here?
All right, so
there.
because it's like all holographic and like very pretty, and let's say I had Rupa and rhinestones, but any kind of shining material, I like to use like a consistent light, continuous. And I put a little bit of like cellophane holographic paper over my lens.
Okay.
And it's gonna make any sparkles, any sequins sing.
Okay.
Like whenever you have a light on them and you go out of focus and you see those sequins really shimmer, this will do that. So you don't have to like do a composite of an in focus and out of focus picture to get those sequins.
Gotcha.
So,
that's what you're gonna do.
and then you can also, I'll even show you, put this on your lens and shine it on that and look at how it looks just even through the camera. You're gonna get that beautiful effect. See?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that effect you get.
Look at that, guys.
The paper, baby.
It's all about the paper.
And then I need to make a little tear in this because I'm just a little bit picky.
You are so creative.
I'm crazy. Oh, I love that. Okay, now go ahead and do a pose for me. Oh, that looks great. Okay, now I want you to do one maybe like leg spread. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love that. Now I want you to hold them like this. There you baby. Let me come get a little loop of that. Gotcha. Oh, Rupa. These are to die for. Oh. Oh, gorgeous.
Can you explain to why you came up here and did natural light?
Natural, well, because the flowers, the jeans, it's kind of calling for light and airy. And so I really wanted to have some natural, and then my natural light comes in and bounces off this white wall and all of these walls. So up here is kind of like a really good natural light atmosphere where you're going to get really good things from all angles. Like that. Oh, and now look at me. Yes, and now do a series like that. Oh, that was everything. Girl, everything. Everything. I'm dead. These are stunning.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I love that. Hold that pose again.
I mean, she does such good poses too. It's nice
1,
when you
2,
have a
3.
model who just knows their body and knows poses.
1, 2,
and Rupa knows
3.
her poses.
Great job. Yep.
That's the difference between a model and a pedestrian.
I like that. Look at, yeah. Oh, yeah. Look at me again. Just like that. Look up.
Look at her.
Yeah, I love that right
Look how gorgeous.
Yep. Hold it again. I'm gonna get some. Yeah. Yep. Now you made it to the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed that work that Natasha put in for you, and I hope you learned and got a lot of tips and tricks from her. And just when you do your boudoir work. Now, once again, how long have you been doing this again for all the little viewers?
I've been doing this since I was like 12, 13, and I'm 32 now, so we're for like 15, 20 years.
Yeah, she's been doing it for a long time, guys. Like I said,
time.
I don't know everything about everything, and you know, once you get a specialist, especially in what she does in boudoir work, you know, you got to get somebody else to come on the channel and just share the knowledge with us. Now, little Rupa, she ain't no more little no more. She's taller than us, guys. We have to hype her up. I know in the intro she was kind of looking, so we have to put her on the ladder, man, just kind of make a bit up on our height. Rupa, how'd you enjoy coming down here working with Natasha again?
I love it.
I love
she's
Rupa.
so creative and she knows what she's doing.
My little Rupa.
You see this?
When I don't know what I'm doing, she knows what I'm doing.
I love her.
This is that girl,
Pose and
bro.
everything. And Stan, he's amazing.
This is the OG shoot thing.
Yeah.
No, that's OG. I'm
He's
old.
teaching all of us.
I'm old. And of course, if you want to work with all stuff, it's going to be in the description box below. Of course, we'll pop on the screen as well with Natasha would have popped on the screen, and stuff's going to be down in the description out below if y'all want to check her work out, or maybe just holler at her, maybe ask some questions. Also, that you want to got a Patreon. You want to plug that, Rach?
Yeah, I have a Patreon. It is patreon.com/Natasha R Photography. My Instagram is Natasha Raichel Photography. You do have to spell my last name on that, which is Raichel. I am so sorry.
Now, of course, if you like my work and you want to consider yourself subscribing, do it, hit it, do it right now, hit all the good jazz. Until next video, peace.
That's a wrap.
With the fan. 5 foot, my butt.
Beat his ass.
Yeah. 5. She said she's 5 foot, guys. All right, y'all can see it, right? 5 foot. All right. So you already clipped up again?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I can't see.
You said.
I can't see myself.